adventures. It's Zombie Girl here, and today I'm going to be doing a video I've never done before, and obviously from the title you already know what it is. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my very first Gucci bag. I'm super excited to show this to you guys because yeah, this is my first Gucci bag, and I don't really do videos like this, but I really wanted to share more of my interest outside of video games and stuff because there's so many different parts of me. So I went to the Dallas Galleria to get the new James Charles palette, but I also ended up grabbing the Life's a Drag Manny MUA's palette from Lunar Beauty and the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So, well, actually technically I went over to North Park in Dallas, which is like 15 minutes from Dallas Galleria, and I ended up finding a beautiful purse, and I never thought I would be someone who could, you know, get one of these purses, and it was a beautiful and lovely gift from my husband, from Zubby, and he's just so very sweet and wonderful to have gotten this for me. So just, yeah, like I've said thank you to him a million times, but yes, just thank you so much for allowing me to have something like this. Okay, I'm gonna start talking. Let's go ahead and let's open up this crazy huge bag. Like, this bag is so ginormous. Like, what is this? Okay, so the first, I'm sorry about my chair, okay? If you watched my last video, you know it squeaks a lot. So yeah, we have this giant box inside of this big old bag. And this is what's inside. Oh. Don't break it before you. Okay, you ready for this? It like opens like this. What is it? It's a bunch of tissue paper with a fancy Gucci sticker. What? You know, I was watching this vlog with Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, and Jeffree was asking Shane why he keeps all his Gucci bags and stuff, like not all of them, but like why he keeps Gucci bags and stuff around. He was like, that's what people do who don't who don't buy Gucci very often. Like, look at this. I'm gonna keep this sticker. There is no shame in my game, okay? I'm gonna keep this Gucci sticker and I'm gonna put it somewhere, okay? Because this is probably the only Gucci purse I will ever buy, okay? It's just, oh my god. And like, I'll tell you more, hold on. Okay, are we ready? Another bag. I don't have anywhere to put this. Right. So here we have our awesome bag. It's like a cloth bag to keep it. I think it's called a dust bag or something, to keep the dust away, because my Michael Kors purses come like that. It's wrapped in another cloth. What? I didn't get to see them wrap this because I have like no idea. It's like mummified. Look at this. It's like a pillowcase. It's like the most fanciest pillowcase I've ever seen. Are you ready? Are you ready? There's the strap. Let me undress her. Is she backwards? No, she's not. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. She's so beautiful. Oh, she's so gorgeous. So this is her. She has a really beautiful pattern and like this red outline thing going on, and she's gorgeous. Now let me tell you something about this, okay? At first I really wanted like a tote that had all these patches on it, and if I can find it I will throw up a picture right now. I thought that was a beautiful purse, but the thing is not only am I drawn to things that are like kitschy and weird and blah blah blah, I really like things that remind me of Texas, and I don't know why, but this here reminded me of Texas because it kind of looked like a horseshoe, you know, and I loved that detail so very much. I loved it. And I have a thing for these kind of chains on purses. I do own another purse, one that I got from Japan that has a chain just like this, and I love it. Another thing I really liked was that you can make it shorter to wear it like, you know, a handbag, because that's what it is, or you can make it a little longer to put it on as a little strappy kind of thing. I'm sorry if the camera's having issues with focusing. Okay, so let's take a look on the inside of this beautiful, beautiful purse. It's really cool because one thing I noticed when we were looking at the different purses was that, sorry, that's my phone, was that the clasps are, on a lot of them, are like what I would call fancy because they have like a little trick to open them. Not a trick, but whatever, we'll call it a trick. So for this one, there's like this little switch thing here, and you push it in, not on both sides, just on one side. You push it in and you pull, and it's to sort of give like another safeguard to people just trying to like pull it open and sneak into your purse kind of thing. So I'm sorry my phone keeps going off. So I really like that. So more of that beautiful red detail. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and pull out the stuffing, which I kind of don't want to because I kind of just want to like put this in a glass case and like treat it like a work of art because that's what it is. So here we go. This is the inside. And I really like this little like midsection pouch here because it's an awesome little detail because sometimes I don't want to take my whole wallet. I just want to take like my important cards, and I can literally just put them in there and lock it in, you know, kind of thing. Or your phone and stuff like that. Another reason I really, really enjoyed this purse was because I wanted to take it with me when I travel. Oh, I didn't know there was a pocket under here. Look at that. It's just another pocket. It's this side has like the red detailing. That's really cool. I didn't know that. So it's like a kind of like a secret pocket. Like maybe I would say if you're like out of the country and you put your passport and hide it in there, I would suggest putting it like there or not putting it in your purse at all and having it on your person, because that might be better. But so when we were looking at the different purses, I was very interested in purses that I could travel well with, because when I went to Japan I learned a lot of lessons. I took my purse with me and I took my backpack, and it's not because I had them together, but I just quickly realized that my purse was not comfortable for me, and so I just shoved it into my backpack for the rest of the time. And so I think that this purse will travel well, but I don't think it's obviously, for me, it's not my like everyday purse when it comes to being out and about in another country or whatever. If we're traveling around, it's not something we do all the time, by the way. Like we are trying to go somewhere once a year, but like not necessarily out of the country, just like go down to Houston, Austin, stuff like that, because I really love to go around and travel and see things, whether it's close or far. I don't care. I have wanderlust in my heart. But I think this is a purse that will travel very well. However, because it is a Gucci purse, I'm being very extra about it, and I'm worried about taking it places because, like I said, it's a Gucci purse, and I kind of just want to put it under a glass case and leave it there as a work of art. But I love this purse so much, and I'm so grateful and just shocked that I was able to get it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick. I hope it wasn't too long and crazy. And tell me what you guys think. Have you guys ever purchased yourself a designer purse? What brand did you go with? Do you want to purchase one? What brand is it that you're fiending for? Let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm Zombie Girl, and I will see you guys later. Bye.